Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix an iPhone that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. So to do that, there is some solutions that we should try one by one. And the first solution is so simple, and just try to restart your iPhone and also the router. So this is the first thing that you should do. After that, the second solution is to go to open settings, and after that go to the Wi-Fi settings, and after that go and click on the I next to the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. Of course, if you are connected before with that network, click on the I next to it, and after that click on forget this network and click on forget. And what will this do? It will disconnect you from the Wi-Fi and forget the password of it. So you have to connect on it again and enter the password again, because sometimes the problem that happened is that just someone changed the password of the router. So you have still that connection with the router, but your iPhone can't match the password that you have on your phone with the password existing or the new password on the router. The third solution is to turn off VPN or security apps if you have. So if you are using any VPN like Proton VPN or any type of VPN, if it's connected, just try to disconnect it, because sometimes VPNs may block the Wi-Fi connection or something like that. Another thing that you can do is try to update your phone. Go to General, and after that Software Update, and look if there is an update, because sometimes if the software that you are using is so outdated, it may create problems like that for your phone. Another thing, check if there is also a problem with other networks. So if there is another Wi-Fi next to you, try to connect to the other Wi-Fi. Or if there is someone with you, try to make him connect with the same router, and check if the problem is mainly from the router or from your phone. And the last thing that you can do if no solution worked for you is just to reset the network settings. And to do that, you have to go to settings, after that General, and scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone, and go and click on reset, and click on reset network settings. And what will that do? It will not delete any pictures or applications from your phone. It will just restart or reset your network settings. That means it will connect you from all the Wi-Fi's, from all the devices that you are connecting to. And after that, you can start connecting your devices again one by one. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.